Hello, teacher.
Hello. Good evening. Okay, you say, repeat after me. Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
Good. One more time. Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening, teacher.
Very good. Happy Monday, Minay.
Hello, happy Monday, teacher.
Great, Minay. How are you today?
Today I'm okay.
All right, or you can say, I'm okay today. Can you say it, Mina? I'm
I'm
okay
okay today.
today. All right, good to know that, Mina. Teacher too. I am also good. I am actually happy now to see you, Mina. Yeah, all right. Mina, do you remember my name?
Yes.
What is my name, Mina?
And your name is Teacher Fat.
Very nice. You remembered my name in a good sentence. Your name is Teacher Fat. All right. It's good to remember my name, Minan. All right, Minan. How was your day? Did you have a happy day or a sad day? Yeah. How was your day? Happy or not?
And
Happy or boring day, Minan?
happy day.
Happy day, not boring day, not sad day, right? Mean yes?
Yes.
Okay, so can you say it was a happy
What's a happy
day?
day?
One more time, let's do it again. How was your day?
It was a happy day.
Right, it was a happy day. Right, Nina? All right, so Nina, what did you do today? Did you go to school? Did you play with your friends? Did you do your homework? What did you do?
Today I go outside
You went
to
out.
play.
Oh,
Yes.
you went out today, right? I went out today. Teacher is typing. Yeah, I went out. Can you repeat? I went out today.
I went out today.
Wow, let's do it again. What did you do today? Please read. Chat box, please.
I went out today.
All right. Where exactly you went to? Mean did you go to the park, to school, to the playground? Where is this place? Mean where?
I go to the cafe.
A cafe or coffee shop. Mean right? Say mean instead of saying go, you say went. Went. Can you repeat, Mina? Went.
Went.
When, okay? Because the action is finished. You already went to the coffee shop, right, Mina?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Who did you go to the coffee shop with? With your family, with your friends?
I went to the cafe with my family.
With your family. Wow. Okay, so let's say coffee shop. I went to the coffee shop with my family. Okay, so can you read me that? That box, please. I went to the coffee shop
I went to the coffee shop with my family.
with my family.
No,
Yeah. Did you drink coffee? No. All right, say no, I
no,
didn't.
no, I didn't drink coffee.
All right, great. Very good sentence. No, I didn't drink coffee. No, I didn't. Then what did you drink? Meat and juice, milk, milkshake. I don't know. What did you drink, Min An? What drink did you buy? Did you get? What do you call it? Is that a milkshake? A chocolate milkshake? I don't, what kind of drink did you get? A prof, a latte? Um,
I have got a matcha.
matcha. Matcha. Oh, I know that. Oh, it's a matcha drink. Milan, right? Matcha drink. Oh, I like it too. Okay, say, I got a matcha drink.
I got a matcha drink.
Oh, good girl. You got a matcha drink. When I also go to a coffee shop, to Starbucks. Do you know Starbucks, Milan? No,
No, I
Starbucks?
also, yes, but I
Ah,
don't. Yes, but I don't go to there. I go to the Highlands Coffee.
Highlands Coffee, which is a different coffee shop, right? Yeah, okay. So you got a matcha drink at Highlands Coffee, which is a coffee shop in your country, Milan, right? Yes. Mhm. Did you have some dessert like a cake or a cookie? What did you drink with your matcha? Cake, mm, cookie? I don't know. What?
But my but my dad didn't buy this. I just drink water.
All right. One more time. Your dad bought cake. Again, can you repeat me that? Your dad?
My dad bought water.
Water. Water? Water. And you drank matcha drink. You didn't have any cake or cookie or dessert, right? I see. All right. I understand, Nina. Okay. So let's make a sentence. My dad just bought water, right? Can you repeat? My dad just bought water.
My dad just bought water.
And your dad got you a matcha drink, right, Nina? Yes? Oh, that was very nice. Great job, Nina. Okay, all right. So, Mina, do you have a story for me? Do you want to tell teacher anything? Like a story, some happy news or good news? It can also be sad news, bad news. Do you have something to share with teacher? Anything that happened to you today, yesterday, or what you will do tomorrow, the next day? Any story you want to share with me? Do you have? Inan?
Teacher, I have an air conditioner in my living room. So I like to turn it on and sit at home. But
Oh,
yes, but at first I always turn the air conditioner in my bedroom.
oh wow! You have an air conditioner in the living room, so you like to turn it on. But you also have an air conditioner in your bedroom, right, Min An? Oh, so you turn on the air conditioner, it means it's hot, Min An. Yes? Is it hot? Oh,
Yes.
in the Philippines too, Min An. I will show you my background, okay? I will uh delete or remove my background filter. You will see my room. This is my room, Min An. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Okay, this is my room. I have an air conditioner right there behind me and also a fan. Can you see this fan?
Yes.
Do you see this?
Yes, but who draw on the wall?
Yes, yes, right, Nina. And you know what? Air conditioner is not enough. I also have to turn on the fan because it's so hot, Nina. Oh, also in Vietnam, Min Ang, is it also hot in Vietnam? Vietnam? Yes?
Yes,
Mm, it's
because
so hot.
I have to turn on the air conditioner because
So hot.
at the days it's 40 degrees and 41 degrees.
Wow! 40 degrees, Mina? The
Yes.
temperature on the other day was about 40 degrees. You know what? In Manila, it's where I live. Manila, Philippines, Minang. In Manila, it's now Manila temperature. Wait a minute. Ah, I cannot see. I will just Google Manila temperature. Minang. 31. But in the afternoon, about 35 degrees, Minang. So it's hotter in Vietnam, Minang, right? It's
Yes.
hotter. And right now it's summer. It's summer season in the Philippines, Minang. Is it also summer in Vietnam? Yes. Summer? Is it summer there? Summer?
No,
Oh,
because I have not went in. I have not go. I have not go into my grandparents' house.
you haven't been to your grandparents' house, but I am asking about the weather or the season. Winter, summer, fall, spring. Now it's summer in my country. Is it summer in Vietnam too? Do you know summer?
Yes.
It is
Yes.
summer. It is very good. Yes, it is summer in Vietnam, in Ang, right? Oh, okay. We are both experiencing the same season, summer, right? So when I go out, it's so hot. Like I would wipe my face with a tissue. Like,
Teacher,
yes, what does it mean, Anne?
tomorrow is 42 degrees.
Tomorrow it will be 42. It will be hotter.
Yes.
Minang, oh my goodness. Very good sentence, Minang. Tomorrow it will be 42 degrees, right? Oh, tomorrow? I don't know yet. I don't know. I just know that it is getting hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter as day goes by. I want summer to end, Minang. I want this season to end. Right, Nina? Okay, by the way, so teacher will just write what you said. Tomorrow it will be 42 degrees. Right? Nina? Yes? Mhm. Nina, how many seasons are there in Vietnam? How many? 2, 4? In the Philippines, we only have summer and rainy season. How about in Vietnam?
Yes. In my place, it has 4 seasons.
4? Wow! So it means there is winter and spring and
Fall
fall?
and summer.
Oh yeah, 4, yes. Summer, winter, spring, and fall. Summer, winter, spring, and fall. Right?
Teacher,
Wow! Here we have 2. Only the rainy season and the summer season.
teacher,
Yeah.
on another place in Vietnam also has 2 seasons.
Season. Oh really? I did not know that. I
Yes.
did not know that. I just knew it from you that there are places in Vietnam that has or have 4 and 2 seasons, right?
Yes.
Oh,
And
I
then
see.
another place has 2 seasons is
Yeah,
dry season and the rainy season.
dry and rainy season. In your city where you live, you have 4. Where do you live, Minh An? Where in Vietnam?
I live in Hanoi.
Oh, oh, I heard that. I heard that place, Hanoi, Vietnam, right? Which is the capital city of Vietnam, right? Yes. A teacher lives in the capital city of the Philippines. I live in Manila. Have you heard about Manila? Inan?
No.
Oh, Manila is the most populous city in the Philippines. Many people live here. Minan. I cannot pronounce it. Okay. Oh, you live in Hanoi, which is the capital city, right? Minan?
Yes.
Yeah. I see. Okay. So, mm, can I ask you some more questions? What
Yes.
do you do when it's hot? What do you do when it's hot, Nina?
I just sit at home and turn on the air conditioner.
Okay, a very good sentence again. You just stay at home and turn on the AC. You want to say AC? AC. AC.
No,
Ah,
I don't have AC at home. I have
ah,
a big air conditioner.
but we say air conditioner. AC is short for air conditioner. Air conditioner. Can you repeat? AC. AC.
AC.
Yeah, AC is short for air conditioner. AC. Okay. For example, I have an AC in my bedroom. Okay. It means I have an air conditioner in my bedroom. Right, Minan? Yes.
Yes.
You have an AC. AC, air conditioner. All right, Minan? In the Philippines, we don't say air conditioner because it's a very long name. We short we shortened the word AC. All right, Minan? Yeah. As for me, since sometimes I would go out, I would go to the supermarket, to the some places that I have to go to. Okay. So I have no choice. When I go out, it's like, oh, it's hot. I don't like it. It's hot. All right, Minan? Yeah. All right. You're cute. You're smart, Minan. Okay. All right. So do you have any more stories, Minan? No more stories? Yes.
Teacher, I still slept with my parents.
One more time, please.
I still slept with my parents.
You still sleep with your mommy and daddy. Oh,
Yes,
it's
and
okay. You're still young. I still sleep. Oh, not slept. Sleep, sleep. Right? You're right. Can you read me out? I still sleep with my parents.
I still sleep with my parents.
Yes, it's okay. There is no wrong with that. You're still young. You're only 8. Me too. When I was 8 years old, I would sleep with my mom. We would sleep in the same bed. All right,
Teacher,
Mina? Yes.
I also sleep with my little brother.
Oh, little brother. That is what I did not know. So you have a brother, a baby brother, which I saw earlier yesterday, right? How many?
No, the first time my little brother just went into the room.
Really? Oh no. Okay. Your little brother is still a baby, so your little brother sleeps with your mom, with your parents, right? Mina?
Yes.
Don't you have a sister? Just a little brother? No sister?
Yes, I just have a little brother.
All right. So you are only 2. Mom, dad, you, and brother, right?
Yes.
Oh,
But I also have an aunt and uncle.
oh yeah. Aunts and uncles, right? Your dad and mom's sisters, brothers, or say siblings. Siblings. Do you know siblings? Mean and I will translate what I said. Okay, wait a minute. In Vietnamese, I don't know your what is the language in Vietnam? Siblings means this. Do you
Auntie and
understand? Right? Your aunts and uncles are your parents' siblings, right? Ina? Yes?
yes.
Yes.
I also have two cousins.
Oh,
One is ready going to grade one, and one is 1 year old.
1 year old. Still a baby. Yes? Wow, you only have two cousins. Yes? Teacher has a lot of cousins. We have a big family. You know why? Because my mom has 9 siblings. My mom has 9 siblings. 7 sisters and 2 brothers. My mom, right? My dad has 9 siblings. I don't know how many brothers and sisters, but I belong to a big family. So I have a lot of uncles, a lot of aunts, a lot of cousins. All right. Okay. Wow, we had a lot to talk about today, Min Ann, because you converse very well. So it is easy for you to speak, to express yourself, Min Ann. I'm happy. I'm happy when you tell me stories. I'm happy when you talk a lot, right, Min Ann? Yay! Okay. What else? Yeah, but now I haven't seen my cousins for a long time because they are busy, they have work, they have families, right? But when I was young, I would play with my cousins. We would play outside. Now, mm, not anymore because they have work, they have families, they are busy. Right, Nina? Yes? Okay. Yes.
I play. I have played with my 5 year old cousin a lot.
One more time. You play with your cousins a lot? Yes?
Yes.
Mhm. You play with your cousins a lot. Where do you play, Min Ann? Where? Where do you
I play everywhere. Yes.
everywhere? Where is that everywhere? You mean outside? Outside your house, on the playground, at the park?
Yeah.
Okay. Anywhere. Is the place safe to play? The
Yes.
place is safe to play? Yes?
Yes.
Mm.
But my little cousin doesn't like my little brother because he is
Oh,
very.
yeah, because your cousin is only one, and your brother is a baby, right? Yes, am I
No,
right? Huh?
I mean my cousin my
A
5 years old
5-year-old cousin,
my
yeah.
5 year old cousin is a girl and she names Kim.
Well, yeah, it doesn't mean that your cousin doesn't like your brother, because maybe your cousin is still young, right? When your brother and your cousin grow old, or get older, rather, get older, they would come along, they would play along, Min Ann, all right? Now, because they're still a baby, they're still babies, so, right? I mean, your cousin is still young and your brother is still a baby, so when they get older, they would like each other, Min Ann, right? Yes, okay. You know what, Min Ann? We need to log out. You know that? We will log in again at 9:20, 9:30, Nina. Okay? That is what my boss told me, that we will have to cut the class, have a 5-minute break, and log in again after 5 minutes at 9:30. Is that okay?
The teacher.
Yeah.
If in my country it's
8.
8:30.
I'm so sorry. 8:30. Okay, you will log in at 8:30. You know what? The time in the Philippines is 9:26. My computer time is 10:26. I follow Korean time and I live in Philippines. So I got confused. Oh yeah, 8:30. So we will get back. We will log in again at 8:30. Okay? I'll see you then. Just take a break, drink water, get ready with your book, go to the toilet, and log in again. Is that okay? All right? See you later, Minay. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Okay.